Okay, welcome back to Udon Project. Let me show you around. Right, obviously there's a lot been done since the last video. All the walls are in. Right, when we come to plaster the walls, I use this additive. It's a plasticizer. It's a waterproof additive and glue, all in the same. You'll do for your foundation work and stuff like that, so you must add this in, and it's great for rendering. So let me show you. So we've done all the chaps in and rendered most of the living area. This is the master bedroom. As you can see, we've got all the chicken wire in place. Down the closet, walk-in closet. Looking good. Again, bathroom. These are the last rooms to do because we've still got to do finish the first fix plumbing. That's all got to be done yet. At first he wanted the window. He was thinking about expanding the window, but now he's changed his mind. Once everything's done, it'll be light enough in here. Here there's going to be a breakfast bar on here, so it's like an open plan kitchen, dining, living area. Right. The other thing you've got to note here on this cement super sewer, this one's actually for a chap is a render. So this is what you use for render with the plasticizer. This one will be used mixed with the tile adhesive for the flooring. The red cement is actually for when you're doing concrete work. So so there's a counter that comes up here, 40cm counter, breakfast bar, and it comes down to here for the kitchen counter. And there's a U-shaped counter, fridge here, and the power the DB board will be up here. So we actually got to build another block out here, and it turns here. That's the cable coming in, the feed in, and then you'll have all the power in the junction box. Again, the plumbing for the kitchen, plus there's an outside kitchen on the other side. This is stuff that we use for strapping. So where that is, it'll be strapped up. There, where concrete meets block, or where electric is, so it'll be like that. Okay, and that stops any cracking in your render. Again, the second bathroom. This is a sliding door. This is an opening door. This way. Nice sized bathroom and shower. Okay, and out here will be for the kitchen, outside kitchen and washing machine. So from here there's a counter for cooking, another sink, and the washing machine will go here, and then another external socket, and you step down into the garden and you get that landscape. So far so good. So Project Udon. Here they've got the septic tank in, and the grey water tanks are in. There's two of them. There's one down there and one down there. This PE pipe is to run the cable in from that outside breaker box. So we can run all the cable in, and the optic fibre will run in there. Okay, also he's going 5 kilowatt solar, so that's going to be on here. There's going to be a boxed off here. and the control panel for the solar is going to be here. Let's go through the second guest bedroom. It's all rendered. Still got the corners to do. Yeah, so the big windows, lots of light. All the door frames are square and plumb, so I'm happy about that. Here we are, all of our electrical stuff and plumbing. Here we've got like a gantry, runs from one side of the building to the other. So if you need access in the roof for anything, you can climb up, which the hatch will be in this room up here. And you've got access throughout the build. So it's just a new thing that I'm doing now, putting access points in and gantries on all our new builds. And the carport. So you get two cars in here. I was actually going to put the drone on today. One sec. I was actually going to put the drone on today. But as you can see, it's cloudy. It wouldn't be very good footage. But yeah, I think 5 to 6 weeks this will all be done. But keep me busy with here in Udon and the two projects in Konkan, and then we do have another one after this one's finished, then Prejet. That one's pretty much the same as the takeover build. There's a lot more to do on that one. That's for an American client. I'll show you more on that when we get close to start that one. I'll show you around on that one. So there you go. I think that'll be it for now. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.